Friday. Had a really long day yesterday. Just need to go in, preload today. I'm going to take care of a bunch of stuff on the truck. Just clean the floor mats, do an interior wipe down, get the truck washed, blow out the trailer, get all the wood chips, and there's always debris in the dry vans, just all over the floor. So just want to get in there, blow it out. Probably get the trailer acid washed. Just the side rails, this is aluminum. It'll make it shine a little better. Yeah, so just one of those days. Get everything in order, get stuff cleaned up that have been lacking on, because just these long days take a toll on you, and you don't really want to clean the truck right after work. And plus I got 2 little kids at home, so I'm trying to always balance life, and it can be very difficult. So yeah, going in today, get that all done, and I'll probably record some stuff and show you guys a couple things and follow along. Appreciate it, everybody. I'm gonna start working on merch. Not really sure, I've never done it, obviously, so I'm in the middle of trying to figure that out. Trying to come up with a design, my first logo and stuff, and it's one thing to just draw up a logo, which I can't draw, but my mom was an art teacher. My brother's really good at art also. They actually used to compete and stuff like that, so we can get it drawn up, but it has to be a certain file, certain things. I don't know these things, in order to get it printed onto cups and hats and shirts, whatever you got. So I'm learning. I'll get it though, and hopefully come up with some merch soon, and we'll see if it sells, see if people like it, and hoping to make some cool stuff. Look at this car. That's impressive. That is impressive. There you go. Here's a nice Freightliner. I don't see a lot of these on the road. It's always Pete's and Kenworths. Alright, let's go get this bad boy washed up. We normally do the washing ourselves. Usually me and the wash guy. But I want to get the trailer acided, so I'm going to go over to Homer's, get that done. On the side, aluminum on the sides, it should shine it up some. backed up. be a couple hours. Alright, we're at Homer's getting it washed up. Disconnected the trailer so they can acid wash that. Didn't want the acid on the truck. Yeah, so it was 40 for the hand wash of the trailer and then another 20 for the acid. Finished with the wash. Just going through the rinse off phase. Take a look at this bad boy. Good though. Alright, we finished the truck up. Decided to pick up my daughter and help the wife out, picking up from daycare. Say hi. Yeah, Dada's truck. Yep. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.